Hi guys, Yin can hear, and I'm sorry if it's glitchy or anything. And I do have hiccups anyway. Look, sorry, hiccup alert. But anyway, look at this. I got a Winkies. I do not know what a Winkies is. So like I said, this is my first one. Okay, so it says, here's winking at you. And I don't really understand it, but hold on. Ah! I can't open it. Alright, so his name is Wisdom the Owl. Okay, so yeah, he's gonna be in the series. Yes, I'm making it here because I wanna. So yeah, thanks for watching this short video and have a good day. Bye bye.